Hi, it's me again, and this time I'm going to talk to you about CANVA. Now, CANVA is an online cloud-based editing tool, a bit similar to Adobe Express, which you may have used earlier in the year. It's free, completely free. There's no need to worry about any subscriptions at all, and there's loads of things you can do, and I think it is beginning to take over Adobe Express. But you can use the two, it's up to you. Now, the reason you're using this is for branding, to create your own esports logo. So I'm going to give you a very short guide, hopefully painless guide, in how to use CANVA. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up if you haven't already got an account. So click sign up and you'll get this screen here. And then what I do is I always do continue with email, and then I will put in my college details. So I'll put mine in, my email address. So there we go. And then set yourself a password, and I would use whichever password you use for college. Try and keep all your accounts simple, so use the same email address and use the same password. Then click log in, and it should either register you, so I've got an itch on my eye, or it'll send you a verification code to your email address. Click the verification code. You know the process. So when you get in, you'll have this all this information in front of you. You can just think, what on earth is all this about? If you're into esports, you're doing esports, which hopefully you are, just type in esports here and see what you get. In fact, it even says esports logo. I'm going to click on esports logo. Let's have a look at what logos they've got. So there we go. So basically what you could do is you could choose a logo from here. I think I was playing with Red Ghost earlier, so if I just do that and then click customize this template, you can change. You're completely free and allowed to do whatever you want to these. What you can't do at the moment is you can't design something from scratch. So if you're looking for a tool that does that, Canva's probably not your best. Although what you can do is you can find a logo and you can modify it. So I'm going to just take all this off, for example. I think I can detach it from the background. If I right click, if you're not sure about anything with Canva, left click, see what options you get. Or right click and see what options you get. So I'm just going to say, actually it says duplicate there. If I click on the red background and do detach image from background, there we go. Get rid of that, and there we go. I've got a logo. Then you can do whatever you want. You can, on the left hand side is all these options. Now for this lesson, no one's expecting you to come up with a graphic like that, unless you think you can. Just play. You've got 2 hours in which to work on your Canva logo and creating a brand. You might not need 2 hours, but if you've got that time, this application is massive. You can do so much with it and for free that you could actually create your own brand right now in the Element session, and you could launch yourself by the end of the class. It's that quick and that easy to do. Or it's just fiddly. It's not hard, it's just fiddly. It's just moving things around, using the mouse, clicking edit image here and there. You can do whatever you want with it. So for example, duotone takes all the colour out of it. If you ever make a mistake, just go up here to the top left, click undo. Voila, you're back. So I'm not going to bore you with a massive long video on how to create something, because I've already created it there. That is perfectly legal to download and use as a logo for yourself. You might have an issue if you want to trademark it, but it's there, ready to go. But we can try it. I'm going to just click on that one because I quite like the look of that one. That might let me do the same thing again. It looks like they've got these blue bars are layers. So I'm just wondering if I'm just going to do the same again, just as a quick example. See if I can detach the background from it. Center back. If I could just delete that. And can I detach that? No. Can I detach that one? As you can tell, I'm still learning to use it myself. No, so perhaps that's probably not worked, but if you're not sure, like I'm not, click there, click there, click there, click there. And this little symbol here means it is all being saved automatically to the cloud, so you can't lose it. Now finally, how do you get what you've got here off the screen and into something you can use as a digital asset? Well, click share, and then you can either share it to other people. I wouldn't go down that complicated route. Or you can do copy link, which will take you to this page. or download. And this is where you really want it. You want it as a PNG or an SVG, or even if you want to make a video, you can, even a GIF. I tend to use PNGs, portable network graphics. That will work very well with Photoshop. So will SVG. And these PNG, JPEGs and SVGs will work very well with any photo editing software. So you could then take this out of here and then do what you want with it. Okay? And that's basically all there is. I'm just going to show you videos because these are all free to use as well. So you could put a leaky pipe in if you want to. Do you know what I mean? I'm only just grabbing things by accident, really. If I do, I'm going to type in esports for you and see what we get. This is the first time I've ever done this. We've got a rather morose looking person there, so you can have a smiley face, couldn't they? So we'll do that. So obviously just lost Fortnite, or we could try that one. So there you go. You can pick from anything. The good thing about Canva is you have, oh, he's not very happy, is he? Good thing about Canva is it will have a lot of tools in which to work with, all right? And I'm going to try and get into your class, I think, and demonstrate it as well for you, so we can go through it in class. All right, take care, do your best. The aim is to download something. There you go, click download, MP4 video, whatever, JPEG, and then upload it to Elements so that it'll get reviewed, and it should get reviewed by your tutor, Colin, Vernon, or Donna Gander. All right, okay, speak soon.